Hello viewers, another air raid siren of Los Angeles. This is Siren 108. It's a rotating. It's on Reseda Boulevard and Lassen Street here in Northridge, California. It's across from LAFD station number 70. Show you a map. It's there, and this is where I've been. So another rotating siren, and pole's been partially painted gray and then goes to brown. The dish is peeling apart. I'll check the electrical. There's an electrical line to the pole over there, and it goes to the siren, and then it's disconnected. The electric goes to the pole, and then as it goes up, the wire's cut, and so there's electric to the pole, just not to the siren. There you go. Another air raid siren of Los Angeles, Siren 108, Northridge, California. Another rotating. All right, thanks for watching.